Hey there! Have you ever wondered how those clear, smooth glass products are made? Today we're diving into a crucial part of the process. Using dolomite in glass manufacturing. Dolomite is a mineral that acts like a super ingredient. It strengthens glass and makes it more durable. But raw dolomite needs to be ground down into a fine powder before it can be used. That's where the roller mill comes in. This machine crushes and grinds dolomite efficiently. It works by pressing the material between rotating rollers, turning chunks into perfect powder. Why is this powder so important? Well, it improves the glass's resistance to heat and chemicals. Without dolomite, glass would be more brittle and prone to breaking. Roller mills ensure the powder is consistent, which means every batch of glass has the same high quality. This consistency is key for making everything from windows to bottles and even smartphone screens. Modern roller mills are also designed to be energy efficient, saving costs and reducing environmental impact. They minimize dust and waste, making the process cleaner and safer for workers. So next time you hold a glass item, remember the journey from dolomite rocks to that smooth finish. Thanks to roller mills, we get stronger, clearer, and more reliable glass products every day.